Russia appears to have abandoned its plan to seize and hold the Ukrainian capital city Kyiv, several officials said Friday, as Moscow faces mounting battlefield casualties and a surprising level of resistance from Ukraine's armed forces. A senior U.S. defense official told reporters Friday afternoon that the Russian army, bogged down along several axes across the former Soviet state it invaded last month, has reset its dwindling military resources on the Donbas instead. The region of eastern Ukraine, composed of the Donetsk and Luhansk oblasts, or administrative divisions, has been the site of an existing, protracted Russia-backed conflict by supposed separatist forces since 2014. Russia appears to believe that greater control in what it has long considered breakaway regions persecuted by Kyiv will strengthen its position in future negotiations regarding Ukraine. They don't show any signs of being able to move on Kyiv from the ground, the official said, referring to Russia's current defensive crouch around the capital, aligned with assessments from U.S. officials earlier this week that Ukraine's defenses had forced the Russian troops to transition from offensive operations to entrenching themselves. Clearly they overestimated their ability to take Kyiv, and frankly they overestimated their ability to take any population center, the official said. And they clearly underestimated the Ukrainian resistance. The official's comments came shortly after Russian military leaders themselves confirmed a new focus on the Donbas region. In an operational briefing that Russia's Ministry of Defense organized Friday morning, in which officials said all current operations are going according to plan, state news reported Russian Colonel General Sergei Rudskoy stated that his country's main goal now is the liberation of the Donbas. In general, the main tasks of the first stage of the operation have been completed, the first deputy chief of the Russian General Staff said. Ukraine and its Western backers refute that assessment. Reports emerged Friday afternoon that Ukraine's armed forces had successfully attacked and sunk a Russian naval vessel somewhere in the Sea of Azov. And the Pentagon stated Friday afternoon that the city of Kherson, a key point in the Black Sea region, is no longer clearly occupied by Russian invaders, but is now considered contested due to Ukraine's offensive. Retaking that territory would be a significant development in terms of the southern part of the war, the senior defense official said. Russian President Vladimir Putin has appealed internationally for volunteer forces to join Russia's cause in Ukraine, specifically those from Syria, where Moscow successfully propped up the regime of Bashar Assad. The Defense Department revealed Friday that Russia is attempting to relocate its forces currently stationed from nearby Georgia to reinforce its other troops in Ukraine. It was not immediately clear where specifically Russia plans to deploy those forces, though they will likely converge on its new focus in the Donbas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.